I want to direct your attention up to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you can see your username showing. Click your username, then the Options button. And this will take you to a page where you can configure your personal settings. These are changed on a per-user basis, so whatever you select only affects your login. You can change how distances are measured, how dates are formatted, how times are formatted, your time zone, and much, much more. The default page at startup can be set to populate the map, the dashboard, your vehicle list, or the product guide. After you've made the changes, don't forget to scroll back up to the top of the page and click the Save button.